What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today I have a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the August software update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is a big one. I'm a little late making this video because as you guys know, I am running the One UI 6.0 beta over here on my main S23 Ultra, which is the lime green unlocked one. So I had to wait until the update arrived on my AT&T. This is my AT&T S23 Ultra. They sent me out to use for review. Really appreciate them doing that. But the AT&T model got it a little late. So I couldn't make one because, of course, I'm on the beta channel. But huge update. So let's talk about what's new, and even some features that are not on the One UI 6.0 beta made it into here on this stable update. It was over 1.7 gigs on AT&T. Before we get started, I do want to thank my son Jonathan for giving me a dyno to hang out. We got the Mosasaurus today. Also, if you guys haven't signed up for the newsletter, please do so. The link's in the pinned comment and description. I send out lots of interesting customization options, icon packs, wallpapers. We send out some free codes from those. My friend at 14Wall, who gives out the icon packs and wallpapers, he's a developer. He does give a lot of the wallpapers that you guys see on my channel, so a lot of people ask where I get those. Also, we send out our mystery box information around the time the phones launch every year. You guys can get a free phone case, cleaning kit, and desktop phone stand. And there's going to be new bonuses starting with the S24 Ultra, so make sure you sign up if you're a Samsung fan. Anyway, let's talk about the update. Let's go into the settings here. Software update. You can see here I don't have any updates currently, but the annoying thing about AT&T and some of the other carriers is it doesn't show you the current update screen right there, which is very annoying. You actually have to go into About Phone to see the software information. So if you go into the About Phone information here, you can see under software information that it is indeed the August 1st security patch level, which is the current update. And you can also see the build number here ending in AWH9. So that is the version. It is around 1.7 gigabytes total for this particular update. And so a very large update. So what's new? Well, there's one really big thing that's new. And the really big thing that's new are some camera improvements. The first camera improvement, and I guess the most substantial one, is if you go into the camera now, you see down here how in photo, you've got 0.6, 1, 2, and 10. Here you've got 0.6, 1, 3, and 10. On the last update before this, they added the 2 times to portrait. So you've got 1, 2, and 3 zoom. But now if you go up here into settings on the new update, you'll see at the very top in the camera settings that we do have this new option under Camera Assistant called Optical Quality Crop Zoom. It says add a 2-time zoom option to the camera. The zoom is cropped from the high resolution sensor, so it's as good as an optical lens. That's very, very cool, very exciting feature. So if you turn that on, you head back to your camera. Down here in photo, now you've got 0.6, 1, 2, 3, and 10, and video 0.6, 1, 2, 3, and 10. So this new option is the 2-time zoom. And I've actually played around with this a little bit here, and it actually is quite good, to be honest with you. I've been really impressed with the quality of the 2-time zoom. I'll take some pictures, maybe actually outdoor pictures that look nice, and upload them before this video into an album so you guys can see. But the quality seems phenomenal. Been really impressed. They did some computational photography enhancements with this as well. This is also supposed to get rid of some of the blurring / banana gate issues that existed with the S23 and S23 Plus. I don't really ever have that problem on my S23 Ultra, but I think it was mainly confined to the S23 and the S23 Plus. So if you had those issues on those other phones, this update should fix that as well. Now, in terms of like animations and stuff, there doesn't really seem to be, I always feel like it's snappier when I install an update because I always repair apps and clear cache partition. But I mean, overall, it seems fine. It doesn't seem like lightning faster. And really, if you compare to One UI 6.0, I still like the One UI 6.0 animations better, the nonlinear ones, although they are still kind of janky because it's a beta. Now, there is one other new feature. There's actually a couple other small things, but there's one other big one that I think is worth mentioning. If you go into the settings, you go to General Management, there are some new options here under Reset. In fact, the menu looks completely different. Let me actually show you guys really quickly with One UI 6.0, because this is not even in One UI 6.0 yet. So if you go down into the settings here, you'll go here into the settings, and you'll scroll down to where it says General Management, and you'll see right here, Reset. You see how the menu has been completely redesigned, actually. So you can see here, you got this new splash screen where it's got like a guy holding a camera, a calendar, a tab, the settings and everything. And then over here, it's just got these 4 options: reset all settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings, and factory data reset. Over here, you've got temporary cloud backup and external storage backup. So this says before resetting your phone, back up your data to your Samsung Cloud or external storage. You can restore your data after resetting. This is obviously great, particularly if you're doing something like enrolling in a beta. This would be a great option to have. Temporary cloud backup is awesome because what this lets you do is it actually lets you back up unlimited data to your Samsung Cloud for up to 30 days or restore the data that you've backed up. So what that means is even if you have a 1 terabyte S23 Ultra and it's really, really large amount of data, Samsung will let you store that data in the Samsung Cloud server for free and then restore it for up to 30 days. So if you're just going to be switching phones or you need to reset something, this is a great temporary option because now you don't need an external drive to do that, and you don't need to pay for 1 terabyte of cloud storage because they'll let you do this for free temporarily. Very, very cool. Of course, it's also great you can do external storage, but I think this one will be more useful for most people. Anyway, really do like the update. Some really cool changes, especially the 2x zoom inside camera assistant that arrived with this update. The update to camera assistant actually arrived independently of the software update, but you do need the August security patch in order to use that camera assistant update. So if you got the update, but if you got the camera assistant update, but not the August update from Samsung, you won't be able to use the 2x zoom yet. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon for future videos like this. Make sure you check out the newsletter if you haven't already. Get some cool icon packs, wallpaper codes. Also, you can get news about our mystery boxes when the Samsung phones go live every launch. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.